one of the reasons for the that I care so much about crypto is that I want more peer-to-peer transactions. So, right, we've been talking about so far this idea of aggregating information, new ways of trading on the markets, and all that. But that's always dealing with a third party who's then sometimes multiple third parties that are either transmitting or executing the trades on our behalf. And I really want a system where the middleman is just the AI platform that, in the same way that Facebook Marketplace, like I'm really dealing directly with somebody else, and the platform is not like taking a cut from anything that I'm doing. It's just my behavior on the platform is valuable to them data wise,
Mhm.
but I'm just dealing directly with the other individual. And I want that. I want to be able to trade anything, any asset directly with the other person who holds that asset, as opposed to in dark pools or what
Or
have you,
through an exchange?
or through an exchange.
Sure.
Exactly. I really want that to happen, and I'm expecting almost I'm expecting custom exchanges that, maybe that's not the right word, but I'm expecting with the AI development I'm seeing right now, like the AI coding environment. There's these React apps that are being generated for whatever it is. If I want my own calculator, if I want to make my own music jukebox or whatever, and they're becoming more and more sophisticated to the point where I can imagine in not too long I'll be able to generate my own exchange with the or interface that has the features that I need and my type of strategy set up inside of it, where I have my own exchange. I don't have to use a third party one. And the idea of spontaneous apps that do complicated things that I would want them to do, but that's
Mhm.
very customized to me specifically. I think that I can't wait for a world like that. So every day I wake up and I go, has someone made something like this where I could just spontaneously generate a whole platform? Because it doesn't make existing platforms no longer relevant. It increases the number of, like, the things we can actually do. Just like, instead of spending a bunch of time. I mean, look at TradesPost. Like, John spends a bunch of time aggregating the different exchanges together so that these trades can happen.
Mhm.
If he was able to do that way faster, and then on top of that, think about now what other features can he actually spend time on that the LLMs can't do, then it explodes the value of a company like TradersPost, because they already know how to do the base thing, but you're not spending all the time doing that. You're spending 80% of the time thinking of different use cases and what might be satisfying different customers and all that. So I
Mm.
can imagine that the Discord group that we have, or the support tickets or whatever, gets fed into a TradersPost AI that then makes the modification that's needed, whatever that's needed for the dashboard or what have you, and then the time is spent, of the founders spent building more on top of that and reaching more customers and stuff like that. So that's the
Got it.
world I want to live in.